my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you how you can remove pimples on your nose with a simple acne face pack. This pack is very easy to make and you can do it anytime you want. You will see the difference just from the first use. So let's start preparing. At first, squeeze the juice out of an aloe vera leaf and take the juice in a bowl. Here I have already taken the juice out of the aloe vera leaf. Friends, you can see this. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric in it. Now mix the ingredients well to get a smooth paste. On your clean face, apply this pack, especially on your nose. This acne pack is very sticky, but it is a very effective face pack. Apply this pack on the nose area where you have pimple. After that, keep it on for some time. Aloe vera has natural antibacterial properties and it nourishes the skin. It protects the health from toxins naturally and is known well for its rich content of enzymes. Turmeric is a source of excellent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties work against skin damaging agents and increase the complexion and tone. After some time, wash it off with normal water. Next, pat dry your face. You can use this pack for 2 to 3 times a week. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.